Hi my lovely chefs, welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video I'm going to whip up some hot chocolate. What I used to prepare this delicious drink was 3 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup of milk, half a cup of water, plus a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a dash of salt. Mind you, this is only for 1 serving, so be sure to adjust accordingly. With that said, let's start cooking. Begin by adding the sugar to the pot, then add the cocoa powder, and then a pinch of salt. Give that a good mix, and then slowly pour in the water. Stir as you slowly pour in the water to incorporate it into the blend. Set the stove to medium-low heat. As you're mixing, you will notice that the ingredients start to really combine together into a thick, chocolatey, I don't want to say syrup, but blend might be the proper term. Perhaps heavenly liquid fudge might be even more descriptive of the magic that's happening here right in the spot right now. Continue stirring. The more you stir, the longer you stir, the more silky, creamy the chocolate will become. Then, while continuously stirring, slowly add the milk and then the vanilla extract. Keep stirring, just keep stirring, just keep stirring. Once everything's been mixed together and heated to the temperature of your liking, pour into a mug and enjoy. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. Have a great day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!